What is going on, everyone? It is your boy Max here, back with a brand new video today. We're going to talk about how to purchase Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Canada, guys. So this is going to be a quick tutorial to get you started in buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other cryptocurrencies that you may want to purchase, guys. So stick to the video, stick till the end. Make sure to give it a like if it was helpful to you, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so there's a few exchanges in Canada that you can buy Bitcoin from and cryptocurrencies from. Some of the most popular ones I'd say are CoinBase. That's the one we're going to go in depth today on. There's also Gemini, there's Binance. So all these are going to be different exchanges that you can use to buy cryptocurrencies in Canada, guys. So I'm going to be using CoinBase today. I think it's the most widely accepted crypto broker. I think it's the best personally to hold your coins. It's secure, it's a well-known company, well-established, and they are very secure, guys. So let's get straight into it. So I'll show you guys an overview of the app. Alright guys, so as we head into Coinbase here, guys, this is what the app looks like. It's a very good user interface, very easy to use, so you guys shouldn't have any problems with that. So what you guys are going to want to do to purchase cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, guys, one thing you're going to want to have is you're going to need a bank account to deposit cryptocurrencies. So I think you can purchase with a credit card, but certain credit cards block crypto payments, so it's always better to pay with cash, guys, if you want to buy cryptocurrencies. So you can either pay with your bank account or credit card if they let you use it. I use my bank account personally. So you link your bank account, guys, to Coinbase. Next thing you're going to want to do is go into the buy section of the app in the middle. And basically this is where you're going to do all your transactions. So this is where you can buy crypto, sell crypto. You can also transfer to different wallets and etc. And this is also where you're going to find your wallet ID if you want to do transactions on the blockchain and all that good stuff, guys. So when you click on the buy button here, it's basically gonna tell you which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Probably you guys want to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all of the other options available on Coinbase here. Today I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, so let's go into that. And it's very simple, guys, very simple process. You basically say the amount you want to purchase, and then you click confirm, link your bank account, and you're gonna be all set, guys. So this is very simple to do. As you guys know, the blockchain is a very easy to use monetary system, guys. So this should be all very familiar to you guys after this video, and you should be able to hold crypto in your wallet with Coinbase easily. Alright guys, so that is how you purchase cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hope you were able to, familiarize yourself a little bit with cryptocurrencies and how they work and how to purchase them here in Canada via Coinbase. Make sure you guys click my link in the description where you can get free crypto with Coinbase. So just join, make an account with that link, deposit up to $100, and you will get a free bonus, guys. So that's free money for you right there. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to leave your questions, your comments, all that in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe for more finance videos, guys. I'm Max, and that's it for me today, guys. Much love to y'all.
Crank that shit up. Shawty, I just wanna know. She be dancing on the floor. Swear to God, she got that joy. I swear she got that drip.